Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to add Twitch chat to OBS. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Twitch. Log in with your Twitch account, then go to your channel page. In the chat window, click on the gear icon located at the bottom, then select pop-out chat from the menu. A new window will open displaying your chat. Copy the URL from the address bar of this new window. Now open OBS Studio. In the top menu, click on View, Docs, then Custom Browser Docs. In the dialog box that appears under doc name, enter a name like Twitch Chat, and under URL, paste the chat URL you copied earlier, then click Apply. The Twitch chat doc will now appear within OBS. You can click and drag the doc to position it anywhere within the OBS interface. Resize the doc as needed to fit your layout. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.